In 2020, archaeologists discovered the remains of a man who died during the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. This man, who was found in the ancient Roman city of Herculaneum, had a unique feature: his brain had seemingly turned to glass. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius was a catastrophic event that caused the complete destruction of the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. The intense heat generated by the eruption, estimated to be around 520 degrees Celsius or 968 degrees Fahrenheit, caused the soft tissues of the victims to vaporize, leaving behind only their skeletons. During the excavation of the Herculaneum site, researchers found a vitrified brain, which is an extremely rare occurrence. Vitrification is the process in which organic material is transformed into a glass-like substance due to rapid heating and cooling. It is believed that the extreme heat from the eruption caused the man's brain to vaporize, while the rapid cooling that followed led to the vitrification process. This discovery provided a unique insight into the effects of volcanic eruptions on the human body and expanded our understanding of the preservation of biological tissues under extreme conditions. The glass brain is a testament to the sheer force and destructive power of the Mount Vesuvius eruption and serves as a valuable archaeological find for understanding the fate of the people who perished in this ancient disaster. The glass brain discovery in Herculaneum gives us some cool details about the ancient disaster and how extreme heat can preserve human remains. Here are 5 things to come out of this discovery. 1. The man with the glass brain was around 25 years old when he died. He was found on a wooden bed in a special building used for religious activities honoring a Roman emperor. Researchers think he might have been someone who took care of the building. 2. The extreme heat from the volcanic eruption destroyed the man's soft tissues but also preserved some parts of his remains. For example, the wooden bed he was lying on turned to charcoal, and its structure was preserved for a very long time. 3. Herculaneum and Pompeii, both destroyed by the same volcanic eruption, were affected differently. Pompeii was covered in ash and rocks, which preserved the city but caused buildings to fall and human remains to rot. Herculaneum was hit by hot gas and volcanic materials, which turned organic stuff, like wood and food, into a charcoal-like state and created unique preservation effects, like the glass brain. 4. Besides the glass brain, researchers also found glass-like spinal cord tissue in another victim at Herculaneum. This shows that the volcanic eruption created unique preservation situations. 5. Scientists use powerful microscopes and advanced imaging techniques to study the glass-like tissue and other remains from Herculaneum. These tools help them see the tiny details of the preserved tissue, giving them more information about how the extreme heat affected the human body. These interesting facts and stories help us better understand the lives and deaths of the people caught in the Mount Vesuvius eruption and teach us about how human remains can be preserved in extraordinary situations.